I'm going to teach you a very easy makeup today.
In this Fenty Beauty and this like it on my face. Oh, this is eye click in my in the Fenty Beauty behind. Maybe upload it. This is vegetated. So tall it. It's bleeding out. My God, I can't upload. Maybe I'll choose this bleed. This is primer I did some Fenty Beauty added to this long time glow icon. Oh my god, my friend Kylie Jenner. Oh my god. I'm world. My primer I is my I'm the darling baby. Hello world blur. The best inside beige in 3 and beige in 5. Entrance mysterious those. Oh my. Yeah, Fenty Beauty, my hands, and this is blonde, and this is my brownie hide. Thank you, my fans. Hello, everyone. Glow and just highlight, mystery and to go in. Hey, to go. Land over. No bitch, no bitch. Land, lady. On whirl, whirl.
There's some side. My baby got it. And this is my
Hello.
Maybe I'll put this aside. Lawns to prototype. The glow is super solid. And this is so brown solid. And I love you. And I'm gonna take kakakak.
Sentence my blush. Dial is woven high in the Fenty Beauty. Long ever night. Baby. Whirler, whirler. My whirler. Oh my god. The head, the hand. Who you are? Glow. This is my the only girl in the world. My eyes and just my blood in the fire bomb. Yeah. The Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty. The Fenty and Beauty. And glow and the way and do this night. The look in my eyes, the world, blend, dewy, the bomb, the highlighter and world lighter. Hold on, mascara in my eyes, world, me hands all together and I blur, just my contour, and my contour, Fenty Beauty and this by Rihanna, and tie, whirl and smile. Say it, so excited. The brush, bleeding highlighter, and I change you
for having me here.
Oh my god.
Lorenz highlighter and say the change and this is my contour, my tutorial. And this is my life and just where when I
whirling me this is oh my god, oh my god, oh girl, this is bleeding, this is okay. Okay, and tutorial my gloss, the Fenty Beauty and by Rihanna.
yeah. Oh, Carly. Okay. My love you. Sweat in the city.
Baby, I'm made inside world forever and who you are. This is my highlighter. This is my baby. This lighter. Except in brand. Thank you that watches my video and just made it decide. But I really to do.